Today we're talking about Baileigh Industrial's SH-5216A Sheet Metal Air Shear and how it's the perfect tool for any fabrication or HVAC shop where 16 gauge or lighter material needs to be sheared. This SH-5216A Air Shear has a capacity of 16 gauge mild steel and will cut all the way up to 52-inch wide sheet metal. The pneumatic system requires only compressed air between about 90 and 115 pounds with no electrical power to function. And this powerful pneumatic shear can cut at speeds of 20 strokes per minute when high production is required. These Baileigh air shears are built of all steel plate that is fully integrated and welded to last decades. It also uses high chromium carbon blades for longer life. Now these blades have multiple cutting surfaces for extended life between resharpening. Front and back material supports as well as side guides are also included. A manual back gauge that has a handle for quick adjustments is standard and is also perfect for when those larger runs where repeatability is required. If this Baileigh pneumatic sheet metal shear sounds like a good fit for your shop, head on over to pentoolco.com and get one today.